Lektion 32 Part 2. In this video, I have discussed 4 German nouns with German sentences together with English meanings and translations. In this video, der Satz, German sentence. Blue arrow indicates English meaning and translation. The German spelling of English is English. German spelling English and English spelling English both used in this video for better understanding. Dear viewers, please see the video till end. Number 1. Singular. Der Geldbeutel. English meaning purse or money bag. Plural, die Geldbeutel. English meaning purses or money bags. Der Satz, German sentence. Frau Basu und Frau Sen haben zwei Geldbeutel. Now English. Mrs. Basu and Mrs. Sen have 2 money bags or purses. Conjugation of the verb haben English meaning to have. Conjugation ich habe, du hast, sie es hat. Wir haben, ihr habt, sie groß, sie haben. Here the conjugation sie haben. Frau Basu und Frau Sen haben. English, they have. Mrs. Basu and Mrs. Sen have. Now German word zwei, English meaning 2. Number 2. Singular. Der Gast. English meaning guest. Plural, die Gäste. English meaning guests. Der Satz, German sentence. Der Gast kommt 9 Uhr. Now English, the guest comes at 9 am. Conjugation of the verb kommen. Kommen, English meaning to come. Conjugation. Ich komme, du kommst, sie es kommt. Wir kommen, ihr kommt, sie groß, sie kommen. Here, kommt, der Gast kommt. English, he comes, the guest comes. Number 3. Singular, das Geld. No plural, English meaning money. Der Satz, German sentence. Herr Banerjee hat viel Geld. Now English, Mr. Banerjee has much money. Here the conjugation of the verb haben, hat. Herr Banerjee hat. English, he has, Mr. Banerjee has. Here a German grammatical concept is wie viel Geld. English, how much money. Number 4. Singular. Das Geldstück. English meaning coin. Plural, die Geldstücke. English meaning coins. Der Satz, German sentence. Frau Banerjee hat 4 Geldstücke. Now English, Mrs. Banerjee has 4 coins. Here the German grammatical concept is wie viele Geldstücke. English, how many coins. Physically countable. Das ist alles. That's all. Bis bald. See you soon. Thank you.